this video, we're going to cover how to factory reset your Android phone. The phone you're looking at is an older phone, and we need to factory reset it because I'm going to be giving it to someone else. So I'm going to clear all my data off. It's going to be found in settings. So if you don't know where the settings is and you don't want to scroll, you can search for it in the search bar. All you gotta do is type in settings and you'll see it show up. Click on settings and you'll scroll down, and what you're looking for is reset. Yours might say backup and reset, but what you're looking for is a reset option. If you don't see it in this list, you might check in the general. Sometimes it shows up in general. Click on the reset option. Once you get to this point, you're going to see options to back up your data. Please back up your data if you do not want to lose it, because doing a factory reset will clear all your data and delete it. So you can't blame me. I told you to back your data up. If you lose it, it's gone. So please back up your data. Don't lose the information that you need. Once you've backed up your data, you'll do the factory reset or factory data reset. Once you click on this, it's going to give you this confirmation screen. And it's going to list all the things that you're signed into, all the accounts that you might need to back up. Double check these, make sure you don't lose your data. If you need to back up, go back to the previous screen. Once you're ready to reset the phone, you click on the button for the reset. So if you have a PIN on your phone or a password on your phone, you'll need to type that in at this point. Once you've typed in your PIN or password, and you see this final screen here, it says delete all. It means it's going to delete all the information on your phone. And like I said previously, please back up your data. You have no one to blame if you lose your data. Okay? It gave you plenty of options. And at this point, I'm going to click delete. And it's going to factory reset this phone. So whatever I had on there, any apps I had downloaded, any documents I had on the phone, they're all gone now. I can tell, as you can see right now, this is an older Galaxy Note 5. We're going to repurpose this phone, and so we need to wipe it. So once your phone has gone through the reset process, it's going to come to the startup, basically the startup screen, where you can start setting up your phone again with your account and your account information. That is how you factory reset your Android phone. Thanks for watching.